actually doing a first impression video on the Tide to Go Instant Stain Remover pen that I got in my Valvox box that I did an unboxing on, and I'm just doing a review on each of the products that I got inside. So I thought it would be fun to do a first impressions video. I just went out to eat and I wore this shirt from Tilly's, but I spilled a little soy sauce on it, so I'm just going to see if this Tide to Go pen actually works. So in the card that I got in the box, it said that the Tide to Go, a 3 count, was $7.99, so this would be about like $2 maybe for a single. And it says Tide to Go is the #1 instant stain remover. Helps remove some of your toughest fresh food and drink stains based on sales, and you can use the hashtag Tide to Go and follow them at Tide on Twitter and Tide on Facebook. So let's get started with the first impression. So I'm just gonna pop the cap off and focus on this stain right here. Take the pen, it's like this white, it's a little chisel tip, and I'm just going to run and press. You're supposed to dab, and once you dab, it lets out a little fluid, as you can see. Wait. Once I dab and push, it lets out a little fluid. So yeah, let's just give that a second, and it kind of looks like it's fading. Maybe, possibly, we'll see. And then when it's wet like that, I'm just gonna kind of take it and actually like just lightly run over it. So now we're just waiting for it to dry. Now that it's dried, you can still slightly see the stain. But overall, I think that this product, this Tide to Go pen, did really well. It did take a little while for it to dry, but as far as getting the stain removed, it did a really nice job. I mean, you can still slightly see it. I might do it one more time just to remove this little bit, but I think it did amazingly well, and I'm so happy with this product, so I'll definitely go back and purchase more, and I definitely recommend it to anyone who's clumsy. In general, I just recommend this to everyone, just to throw in your purse, have in your car, your locker. It's really great. So yeah, thank you for watching. And again, inbox me your email if you want an invite to Influenster, because I will definitely can send out invites and stuff. So yeah, subscribe for more reviews and more stuff about Influenster. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Subscribe, please. Bye.